Picking an online business doesn't have to be hard. Before you dive into that online business you have been thinking about, consider these 4 must-have essentials that could make all the difference in your success. Not sure what to look for in an online business? This video covers those 4 must-have features like simple setup, clear training, and time-saving tools. Plus, stick around till the end for a bonus section with tips that could be a total game changer for your success. I remember starting out feeling lost in a maze without a map. This program I offer is your GPS. It includes live interactive mentorship and a proven blueprint to guide you. You bring the drive, it provides a step-by-step direction. And as a trained teacher, I'm here to answer your questions or guide you as you launch and grow. Does this feel like a right fit? Comment time-saving tools and I'll follow up with the link to a free guide to help you start building your dream life. A simple setup, a must-have feature. A simple setup is essential when choosing an online business. Look for one with most of the work done, easy to follow steps so you can focus on building and personalizing it to fit your goals. Starting an online business should feel like assembling furniture that's mostly built. Simple steps, clear instructions, no stress. So you can focus on what matters most, starting strong and achieving your goals. Here are 3 action steps. Find a business with a ready-to-go setup requiring minimal effort to personalize. 2, choose one with clear step-by-step instructions for easy next steps. And 3, ensure the setup timeline matches your available time. Training that actually makes sense. Choose a business with clear hands-on training without confusing industry lingo. Choose a business with experienced mentors who guide you step by step, making the process clear and straightforward for easy learning and success. Think of it like learning with training wheels. Guidance keeps you steady, tools make the things simple, and mentors provide feedback so you can move forward step by step with confidence and clarity. Here are 3 action steps. 1, choose a business with training that's simple to follow and matches your learning style. 2, look for mentors who've succeeded and can share proven strategies. And 3, join a supportive community to ask questions and stay motivated. You won't be stuck trying to figure out everything on your own with just pre-recorded videos. This program gives you interactive training and a supportive community where you can get real-time answers to your questions. Starting something new can feel overwhelming, but this program makes it doable. Ready to get started? Hit the link in the description and let's work on building the life you've been dreaming about. Now let's dive into the next part. Affordable upfront costs, no hidden fees. Look for a business that doesn't require big upfront investments or hidden fees. Minimal costs mean you can focus on building your business without worrying about finances. It's like ordering a meal where the price matches what you pay. No surprises. A business with a clear upfront costs lets you focus on growth without worrying about hidden fees or financial strains. Here are 3 actionable steps. 1, look for a business with transparent pricing that lists all costs up front. 2, avoid businesses that require ongoing monthly fees or unexpected charges. And 3, choose an option that allows you to keep your earnings to experience your dreams. Set it and forget it system that works behind the scenes. Pick a business with systems that handle the boring stuff, like emails and payments, so you can focus on what you enjoy most. It's like using cruise control. Set it up and it keeps on running. Pre-built websites and ready-to-use tools for your energy for creativity and growth, letting you focus on your goals instead of tedious tasks. Here are 3 action steps. 1, look for a business that includes pre-built tools like websites and email sequences to save time. 2, choose one with automated processes such as payment systems to handle back-end operations. And 3, evaluate how these systems align with your goals to reduce your daily workload. Believe in your success. Getting to this bonus section is a sign you're destined for more in life. Your success begins with your mindset. Confidence grows by recognizing your strengths, imagining your future, and pursuing opportunities that match your goals with the right tools. Climbing a mountain starts with belief, focusing on each step. Building business confidence means recognizing your strengths, tackling doubts, and shaping persistence for success. Here are 3 action steps. 1. List skills and experiences that fit your business goals. 2. Visualize the success and life you want. And 3. Choose opportunities that match your strengths and vision. Think it's time to make your move? Click the link in the description to start building your online business today. And stay tuned for my next video, which is full of tips to guide you to success. Let's make those goals happen.